Hi guys, welcome to Selenium automation testing. So today in this video we are going to learn about the JavaScript executor interface. Okay, so JavaScript executor interface is just work like a tonic in your script. By using JavaScript executor, we are able to highlight our web element. We are able to perform some scroll down, scroll up activity and many more, just like draw border around the web element, generate alert. Okay, we are able to find the web element, and after finding the element, if the web element is a text box, then we are able to send the data, or if the web element is a button, then we are able to click on this web element also. We are able to perform refresh operation, and we are able to get the title of the current page also. So by using JavaScript executor interface, we are able to perform such type of activities. So let's start with the practical. Okay, so I have already written the code up to launch the URL, and I will take help from this web page. So first thing is, we are going to draw the border around the web element. Okay, so I will take any one example. Okay, I will take this click me button. I will try to draw the border around this web element. So suppose I get an issue with this click me button. So after taking the screenshot, I need to manually highlight this web element. Okay, as a proof that on this web page this particular button generate an issue. Okay, so how to draw the border around the web element before taking the screenshot. Okay, so we don't need to draw the border manually. So let's start with the practical. So we are going to draw the border around this web element. So first thing is, we need to define the web element. So we use web element is equal to driver.find element by .xpath. I will create the xpath for this button. Okay, so let me inspect this click me button. I will draw the border around this click me button. Okay, I will use this text, Control F. Our element is a button, it came inside the button tag, so I will use button, and I will use text method. So text method is equal to click me is a text. Okay, click me. Okay, text and method. See, one of them. Just copy your XPath and paste here. So after finding the web element, we need to draw the border. Okay, so let's start with the JavaScript executor. So JavaScript executor is an interface, so we are not able to create an object of the interface, right? So I will write like this. We use JavaScript executor, and I will typecast my driver into JavaScript executor interface. Okay, so the first one is draw border around web element, right? So we use one method, js.execute_script. Execute script is a method. Okay, I will show you the code. So to draw the border around the web element, we need to use some keywords, just like arguments 0 dot style dot border is equal to, in a single code, I will draw the border with 3 pixel. Okay, solid red around this our web element. So I will pass our web element over here. Okay, so the style dot border is equal to 3 pixel solid red, and we pass our web element over here. So after finding the web element, it will draw the border with 3 pixel solid. It will draw the border with red color around our web element. Okay, so just one single line of code to draw the border around the web element. So just save. Let me run our script. just click on this run button. Okay, let me close this one. Just a minute, I will show you. Okay, save and run your script. So it will draw the border around our click me button. Okay, let's wait for the execution. Okay, it will maximize the screen, and after launching the URL it will draw the border around our web element. Okay, still launching. See, this is the web element. It is surrounded by our red color with 3 pixel solid red. Okay, now I will show you in another example. Now I will draw the border around this barcode sticker. Okay, so let me create the XPath quickly. I will draw the border around this web element. So just right click. Okay, let me close this one. Just right click and click on the inspect button. So I will use this attribute. Source is an attribute. Okay, and it comes inside the image tag. So just press Ctrl F and tag name, which is img @src is equal to, and I will provide the source value inside the single quote. Okay, so let me inspect one more time. Just right click and click edit as HTML, and I will copy this source value. Just copy and paste here. Okay, just paste. See, one of one. I will copy this XPath and I will paste here. Okay, paste. So it will draw the border around our this barcode sticker. Okay, so let me run our script. Just save and run your script. So after drawing the border around our web element, I will start with the second feature. Scroll up and scroll down using JavaScriptExecutor Interface. So the web page is launching. So web page is still launching. So okay, completed. So let me scroll down my web page. Okay, so to verify the particular element is surrounded by a border or not, I need to manually scroll down. Okay, I need to manually scroll down my screen. Okay, so the particular web element is surrounded by this border, but after launching the URL I need to manually scroll down. Okay, so just assume after launching this I got an error, I got an issue with this barcode sticker. Okay, so I have written the code to draw the border around the web element, but after launching this web page, the web page show these elements. Okay, and my web element, my barcode sticker is present at the end of the screen. So I need to scroll down my web page. So after scroll downing my web page, if it will take the screenshot, then my web element is captured inside the screenshot. Otherwise it will capture only this screen without my web element. So I need to scroll down my web page until my web element is appear on the web page or not. Okay, so how to scroll down your web page? So okay, so I will show you the second feature of scroll down your web page. Scroll into view means it will scroll down our web page until we are not able to view our web element. Okay, so how to do this? So we use js.execute script. We use same method, execute script. Okay, now I need to scroll down my web element. So we use arguments and I will pass 0 dot scroll into view, and I will pass the boolean value true here. Okay, true. Okay, and I will pass our web element, means until this web element is not appear on the web page, the script will be scroll down or scroll up our web page based on the condition. Just save your script. So it will draw the border around our barcode sticker and it will scroll down our web page until we are not able to see our barcode sticker. So just save your script and click on the run. Actually, JavaScript Executor Interface provides some very rich features. So before taking the screenshot, if we draw the border around the web element and if we write the code to scroll down or scroll up, so it will take the better screenshot. Okay, and we don't need to draw the border manually before sending our screenshot to the development team. So let's wait. Okay, let me open the Eclipse. I think we get any timeout exception. Okay, JavaScript exception. Okay, let me check the spelling. Okay, this is the mistake. Arguments. We need to use the proper keywords. Okay, as it is. Okay, arguments dot scroll into view. Okay, right. Control Shift F and Control save. Okay, let me run this script. Arguments, okay, dot scroll into view, true and web element. Okay, right. So this time it will draw the border and scroll down our web page. Say it properly, guys. Okay, web page is launching. Okay, still launching. Yeah, see guys, it automatically scrolled down our web page. Now I am able to see my web element which is surrounded by our border. So after drawing the border, after scroll down our web page, if I will write the code to take the screenshot, so my web element is captured inside the screenshot. Otherwise it will take the screenshot with this web elements. Okay, but my web element is present at the end of the screen. So I need to use this method, scroll into view. It means it will scroll down my web page or scroll up my web page based on the web element's location. Okay, and then it will take the screenshot. So this is the code to draw the border and this is the code to scroll down or scroll up our web page. Now I will show you the third feature of our JavaScript executor. So after launching this web page, okay, I need to scroll down our web page by using some at this location. Okay, I need to scroll down at this or I need to scroll down at some index value. This is the X and this is the Y. So I will provide the X and Y location and then I will scroll down or scroll up my web page. So this is the scroll down, or we can say scroll up. So how to do this by JavaScript Executor Interface. Okay, so let me comment this code because we are now good to go with this code. Okay, so now I will write the code for the scroll up or scroll down. So I will use this method execute script. Okay, so how to scroll down our web page with some X and Y location. So we use window, okay, dot scroll, okay, scroll by, and I will provide the X and Y location. Just a minute, I will provide the location. So this is the X value, I will provide 0 and I will provide 100 as a Y. Okay, and let me remove this one. Control Shift F and Control C. So it will scroll down my web page with X is a 0 value and Y as a 100 value. So let me run our script. Just click on the run. So it will scroll down our web page with this provided x and y value. Okay, let's wait for the execution. So it will scroll down our web page with y-axis. See, this is the gap difference because we provided the y value as a 100. So this is the 100 and x is a 0 still. Okay, I will run this script one more time with some 500 value. Just save. I will show you. So now it will scroll down our web page with x is equal to 0 value and y is equal to 500 value. Okay, see it carefully. Okay, web page is launching now. Okay, done. See, we are able to scroll down with our location value. So based on your requirement, you just need to provide the x value and y value, and it will be scroll down your web page or scroll up your web page. Okay, so this is the code to scroll down or scroll up your web page. So let me comment out this one. Okay. Now if I need to scroll down completely web page, okay, if I need to scroll down my web page completely, okay, so how to do this? So I will show you, because in this example I will provide this 500 value, so it will scroll down my web page at around at this location. Okay, but sometimes we don't know the location, we are not able to find the y value. Okay, and we need to scroll down completely we need to scroll down our web page at the end of the screen, this one. So how to do this without providing any value, because value may be changed. Okay, so I will show you how to scroll down your web page. So we use js.executeScript method. Okay, and we use window dot scroll to, okay, and open the square braces. Just open square braces and provide the x value. X value is 0, okay, as in this example. And then I need to scroll down my web page without providing the value, because value may be changed next time. So I will use document dot body dot scroll height, HEIGHT, okay, HEIGHT, and let me remove this code, we don't need this. Control Shift F and Control C. Window dot scroll to, and the x value is 0, and document dot body dot scroll height. Okay, so let me run our script. We have already commented this code. Okay, so it will scroll down our web page based on this single line. Let me run this code. So it will scroll down the web page, okay, after launching the web page. See it carefully, guys. See, we are able to see the end of our website, okay, without providing the y value. Okay, this is the much better code, because if you provide 1000, 2000 here, and next time if developer change some value, so value with the y value of y axis may be changed. So better to use this dynamic technique. Okay, so this is the code. So this is the fourth way to scroll down. Okay, let me comment out this complete code. Just a minute. Now let me open the notepad. Let me check. We are able to highlight the okay, good. Now I will show you how to highlight our web element, means how to show, how to provide different color, how to highlight our web element. Okay, so I will highlight our this click me button again. So let me create the I will change the web element. Okay, so let me inspect this one. I will create the XPath and I will highlight this click me web element. Okay, so button tag, so I will provide the tag name, which is button, method text is equal to click me is a text for the button. See, just copy this XPath and provide here. Let me remove this one. Okay, I will change the web element. Paste, Control Shift F and Control save. Now after finding the web element, this click me web element, I will highlight by providing some color. So how to do this? So I will use js.execute script. Okay, then I will use arguments 0 dot style dot background color is equal to, in a single quote, okay, in a double quote, I will provide the color here for the which element, our click me web element. So I will provide the web element over here. Okay, and I will provide the color with this red, green and blue. So I will provide RGB and I will provide the value of red, green and blue. Okay, so let me check it. Int okay, or let me provide the color as a red here. Okay, Control Shift F and Control save. So it will change the background color with this red. So just press save and run your script. So it will change the background color for our click me web element. Okay, let's wait for the execution. Okay, so this web element is highlighted. Okay, now I will provide different colors. So this web element is proper highlighted. Let me close this one. So I will create one for loop. Okay, for loop integer I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 5 and I plus plus. So this is the for loop. Inside this for loop I will provide this code. Okay, just a minute, I will show you. I will copy and paste this code inside the for loop. Just paste. I will provide wait. So after 2 seconds it will change the color. Okay, I will provide the wait 2 seconds. So I will use 2000. I will surround it by try catch block. Okay, so first time it will change the background color with red color. Okay, then it will wait for 2 seconds and it will change the background color with yellow. Okay, I will provide yellow here. Control Shift F and Control C. So when this for loop is executed, it will check the condition, and based on the condition it will came inside this for loop. So it will change the background color for our web element. First time is it will change with red color, then it will wait for the 2 seconds, and then again it will change the background color with yellow. Okay, and this for loop is executed for 5 times. So just save your script and click on the run. So this is the code to highlight our web element on the web page. Okay, just a minute, I will show you. Red, after 2 seconds it will be yellow. Okay, yellow and then again red. See the difference, yellow and then again yellow. Okay, so let me close this one. I will use this try catch with this wait, so it will be wait after changing the color with yellow. Let me run this one. So it will change the color with red, then again wait for 2 seconds, then it will change the color from red to yellow, then again wait for the 2 seconds. Red, then yellow, wait for 2 seconds, again red, then wait for 2 seconds, then yellow, wait for 2 seconds, then red and yellow, red, yellow. So this is the code to highlight our web element. Okay, okay, yeah, done. Let me close this one, I will show you. So this is the code to highlight our web element. Okay, highlight web element. Okay, so let me comment out this code. Let me comment out this one, just a minute. Yeah, this is the try catch block, right? Yeah, I think we commented this one also. Let me check. Okay, Control Shift F and Control save. Yeah, so this is the method and its block. Yeah, so we are done with the highlight web element, scroll into view, draw border around web element. Okay, now we are going to generate our alert. Okay, so after launching the URL, I will generate my customized alert. Okay, so how to create an alert, right? So I will use this execute script method, execute script. Okay, we are going to generate the alert, so we use alert, and after generating the alert we need to print something, right? So inside this parenthesis I will provide the message, means this message will be appear in our alert. Okay, so inside this double quote, inside this single quote and then double quote and then plus icon, I will provide the message alert. It may be anything based on your requirement. Okay, or better to remove this one. Control Shift F and Control save. Okay, let me change. I think we need to use alert message. Okay, no, I will remove this one. Yeah, better. Control Shift F and Control save. So it will generate one alert with this message, alert message. Okay, So I have already commented our code. So after launching the URL, it will generate one alert. Okay, alert message. Just save your script and click on this run. So it will generate one alert. Okay, just a minute, I will show you. See, this is the alert, and the text on the alert is alert message, which we have already provided. This one, alert message, is a message on our customized alert. So this is the way how to generate alert. Okay, let me click on the OK. Let me close this one. So this is the code for generate an alert. Okay, let me comment out this one also. Just copy, cut and paste here. Control Shift F and Control save. Now let me open the notepad. Okay, generate the alert, find web element, send key, save fresh. Okay, get title of the current. Let me finish this one first. So how to get title of the current web page using JavaScript Executor Interface. Okay, so we use js.execute script. Most of the time we use this method, execute script, and inside this method we write our logic. So how to get title of the web page? Okay, sometimes in interview, if you are going as a 2+ years of or a 3+ year of experience in a Selenium, so it may be asked, without using the Selenium method get title, how to we are able to get the title of the web page without using predefined method. Okay, so the solution is, the answer is, we are able to get title of the web page without using get title method is JavaScript Executor Interface. Okay, I will show you the code. So it will return the title of the web page. Okay, so we use return. Guys, this is a predefined keyword in JavaScript. Okay, in JavaScript Executor we are not able to change this. Okay, we need to write as it is. So we use return document dot title. Okay, dot title, and let me remove this one, in string format. So I will use toString method from the object class toString. Okay, so it will return the title of our web page, okay, in the string format. So I will store this title in the string format. So string str, this is the title, and I will print the title, system.out.println, title of web page is, and then this str reference variable, Control Shift F and Control save. So it will take the title of the web page, and title of the web page is this one, automation testing practice. This is the title for this web page. This Google keyword is title for this Google web page. Okay, and for our application the title of the web page is this one, automation testing practice. Let me minimize this one. Just press Ctrl Shift F to set your code in a proper way and press Ctrl save. Let me run this script. Return document dot title. Okay, so it will return the title of the web page. Let's wait for the execution. Okay, website is launching, URL is launching now. Okay, completed. Let me open the Eclipse. See, title of web page is automation testing practice, because this is the title of our current web page, this one, automation testing practice. Okay, I will show you with one more. So I will change the URL https www.google. I will use Google, okay, google.com. So it will take the title of the Google homepage, Google's web page. It may be Google, I think, I'm not sure, but let me check and run. This time I think we get title of the web page as a Google. Okay, let's wait for the execution. Okay, Google is launched. Let me open the Eclipse. Okay, still launching. Let's wait for the execution. It will print the title. Okay, we got, I think, timeout exception or no such element. Okay, it will find our web element on Google. So let me comment out this one, because we changed the URL but not change this web element. Let me comment out this. Okay, Control Shift F and Control C. Let me run this one. So now it will launch the URL and take title from this web page. Okay, let me check once. WebDriver exception. Okay, just a minute, I will show you. Let me close this one. Let me close this one also, and I will create one web element on Google. Okay, I will create for this sign in button. Let me inspect. So I will create the XPath for this sign in button. I will take some, okay, I will take this ID GB_70. okay, just copy and let me uncomment this one. Control Shift F, Control Shift F. Okay, okay, our web element is came inside this A tag. Okay, so tag name is A. I will use attribute, so I use @ID is equal to in a single quote, paste, Control Shift F and Control C. Web element, JavaScript executor interface. Okay, everything is fine. Let me run this script. Okay, let me check. I don't know the reason, but failed to write prefs file. Okay, let me change. Okay, let me make it our original URL. Control Z. Okay, now let me run this one. I hope this time we get the title. Let me save and let me run. Okay, okay, yeah, don't know the reason we got the error. WebDriver exception inside this. Okay guys, let me solve this issue. I don't know the reason, but test JavaScript is the name of the method it called inside this main method. Okay, because we already take the title of the web page, right? But now I got this error. Okay, let me solve this. I will pause this video and I will resume. Just a minute, I will solve this issue. Just a minute. Hi guys, welcome back. So I don't know the reason, but it automatically solved. So let me run this script. Okay, I will show you how to take title of the web page without using predefined method from Selenium. Okay, so it will take the title from our web page. Okay, Okay, still launching now. Let's wait for the execution, and then I will open the Eclipse. Okay, it will show the title. Okay, done. So let me open this one. So this is the title of our web page. Okay, let me close this one, and let me close this Chrome. Now I will take the title from the Google. So let me comment out this one, because it will going to find the web element on Google. Okay, so let me provide the URL google.com. So this time it will take the title from the Google. Okay, control and save. Let's wait for the execution. This time it will take the title. I don't know the reason, but again I got this error. Okay, so better to use this URL only. Okay, let me use Control and Z, Control save, and I will take this title from this web page. I don't know the reason, but okay, let me save this one. Okay, for this URL it will working fine, but when I use Google it throw an error. Don't know the reason, but okay. So this is the example of how to take title for the current web page without using predefined method. Okay, so let me comment out this one, copy cut, and I will provide here Control Shift F and Control save. Now Control Shift F and Control save. Okay, now we are going to, let me close this one, alert and all done, title is also done, refresh, and this one. Okay, so now we are going to find the web element, okay, on the web page by using JavaScriptExecutor Interface. So to find the web element, okay, actually I got this error. Okay, some version error, that's why I'm not able to launch the Google, I think. So when we are going to find the web element by using JavaScriptExecutor Interface, so the ID attribute must be compulsory. Okay, we are able to find the web element using only ID of the web element. Okay, so this is the ID of the web element. So this web element is inspected, is captured by the JavaScript executor, because this web element contains ID. Okay, I will show you the reason. So this is the example of find web element. Okay, so I will use js.execute script. So I will show you how to find the web element on the web page using JavaScript Executor Interface. So we are going to find the web element in this documentation. Okay, this is known as a documentation for this web page. So first thing is we need to jump inside the documentation, right? So we use document dot get element by ID. Okay, and then inside this parenthesis, inside this single quote, I will provide the value of the ID. The value of the ID is this one. So let me copy this ID's value and I will provide here. Okay, it will find this web element by ID, whose ID is this value. Okay, let me remove this one. And our web element is a text box. So obviously inside this text box we need to enter some value, right? So I will use dot to send the data in a text box. We use value keyword, and inside this value we use this is equal to and then inside this single code we provide the text. So I will use Selenium automation testing. Okay, only Selenium. Okay, and then put semicolon, Control Shift F and Control Save. So inside this documentation it will find the web element whose ID is equal to this value, and after finding the web element it will find this text box. Okay, and inside this text box, to send some value, we use dot keyword and then we write value is equal to, and inside this single code we provide the keyword which we are going to send inside this text box. Okay, so after launching the URL it will find the web element whose ID is equal to this value, and then it will send our keyword. Okay, so just run your script. It will enter Selenium inside this text box. I will show you. It will launch the URL and then enter our keyword. Okay, still launching. See, this is the Selenium keyword. Without using send keys method, we enter this keyword inside this text box. Okay, so this is the famous interview question. Without using predefined method, without using send keys method, how to send some value inside this text box, inside any particular text box? So the answer is by using, okay, let me charge the laptop. So the question is like, without using send keys method in a Selenium, how to send the data in a text box? Okay, so the answer is by using JavascriptExecutor Interface, we are able to send the data in a text box. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the way to find the web element and then send keys. Dot value is used to send keys. Okay, so I have covered this find element and send data to the text box. Okay, now if there is an element and we need to click on the element without using dot click method which is provided by the Selenium. Okay, so how to click on the method without using predefined methods? So we are able to do this by using JavaScriptExecutor Interface. So let me comment out this one. So click on web element. I will show you how to click on the web element. Okay, so for this I will take any web element. Okay, let me check. Okay, I will show you one more example. I will try to click on this click me button. So let me inspect. If this web element contains ID, then I will able to find the web element, because JavaScript executor provide only ID, but this web element does not have any ID. Okay, so how to solve it? I will show you. Okay, this is our web element which we already defined in our script. Okay, so I will show you one more technique to click on the web element. Okay, so we use js.execute script. Okay, js.execute script, and then we use arguments 0. Okay, dot click. So it will click on this web element. On which element? Which we already couched. So we provide element here. Control Shift F and Control Save. Okay, if the particular web element does not have any ID, this element does not have any ID. Okay, but I need to click on this web element using only JavaScript Executor Interface. So the second way is just create this reference variable and store our element here by using any attribute. Okay, because this is a simple way. after finding the web element, I will provide our element to this JavaScript executor dot execute method. Okay, so it will click our element. Okay, if our element contains some ID, so I will write like this: document 0 dot get element by ID, but this element does not have any ID. So the second way is we use this type of technique also. Okay, let me save, Control Shift F and Control save. So it will click on our click me button. Okay, okay, let me check again. The same error, I don't know the actual reason, but Control Shift F and Control save, or better to I will change the browser. Okay, let me change the browser. I will use this Firefox now. Just copy this value and replace, just a minute guys, I will replace our browser. Paste, Control Shift F and Control save. I hope Firefox is working fine. Run. So then it will take Firefox and then it will click on the click me web element button. No, we got error. Okay, session not created exception. Okay, let me give me some time guys, I will solve this issue and I will continue. Just a minute, I will resolve this. Hi guys, welcome back. So I have changed the browser. Okay, so we are trying to click on this web element. Okay, we are trying to click on this click me web element. Okay, so by using JavaScript executor, by using this line of code, we are able to click on the particular web element. Okay, so just run your script. Okay, it will click on this click me web element. Okay, I have changed the browser from Chrome to Firefox because I am getting some issue with the Chrome browser. So I have changed the browser. So at this time it will launch the Firefox and then it will click on the click me web element. Okay, let's wait for the execution. It will now launch the URL. Okay, launching now. See, automation testing practice is our URL. Okay, now it will click on this click me web element. Okay, okay, still launching and it clicked. Okay, because after clicking on this click me web element, this is the web element, this is the button for the alert and this is the alert. Okay, so we are able to click on this web element by using JavaScript Executor Interface also. So two most famous interview question: how to send some data into text box without using send keys method. So this is the answer, by using JavaScript Executor Interface. Second question is how to click on this particular web element without using click method. So this is the answer for the click the web element. Okay, now let me comment out this one also and then I will show you the last one. Refresh browser. Okay, refresh our web browser. Let me close this one. So after launching this URL, I will refresh our browser. So how to do this? By JavaScript Executor Interface. So we use js.execute script. Okay, and let me remove this one. So we are able to refresh the browser by using some history, because when we launch this web page, okay, this web page take the location in the list at 0 index. Okay, so if we need to refresh the browser, then we launch the web page which is present at 0 index, and at 0 index our this web page is there. Okay, I will show you, it will be more understandable. So we use history, okay, then dot go, and then we provide the index value of our web page. After launching the web page, our web page take the index value 0. Okay, Control Shift F and Control Save. So it will refresh our browser. Actually, it will not refresh, it will launch the browser. Sorry, it will launch the web page which is present at 0 index. Okay, and after launching the web page, this web page will take the location at 0 index. So that's why it will known as a refresh also. Okay, inside it will launch the browser, it will launch the web page which is present at 0 index. Okay, let me save this one and let me run. After launching the URL, it will refresh our web page. Okay, or we can say it will launch the web page which is present at 0 index value. Let's wait for the execution. Okay, now it will launch the URL. Okay, launch our URL. Okay, launching now. After launching, it will refresh. Let's wait for the execution. I think it will take few seconds. Okay, still launching. Yeah, done. Okay, I think we got timeout exception. Let me check in Eclipse. Yeah, I think we got timeout. Yeah. So I will provide some static weight here. Okay, this is only for me. I will provide static weight as a trade dot sleep method. Trade dot sleep. I will provide 4 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds I will provide. Sorry guys, let me surround it by try catch. So after launching the URL, it will wait for the 5 seconds and then it will refresh our web page. Or better to take some more second, I will provide it 7. Control Shift F and Control Save. Okay, let me run this script and let's wait for the execution. Okay, after launching, it will wait for the 7 seconds and then it will refresh our browser, or as I said already, it will launch the web page which is present at index number 0. Okay, now it will launch the URL. Yeah, launching now. Yeah, launching. It will take few seconds. Let me open and check Eclipse also. Okay, yeah, okay, launched properly. Let's wait for the 7 seconds, because after 7 seconds it will refresh our web browser. See guys, after 7 seconds it will now refreshing our web browser, or we can say it will launch the URL which is present at 0 index. Okay, now this is the launching. Let me open the Eclipse. See, perfect code, we don't have any error. So this is the example of how to refresh your browser. Okay, let me open the notepad. We are done with the highlight. Scroll into view, draw border, generate alert, find element, send data. Okay, click on the web element, refresh, just completed, and get title of the current web page. Okay, we are done with the all. And let me remove this one. This code is only for me because I am facing some network issue in my area, so that's why. This is the example of refresh your web browser. And I already said this is the most famous interview question: how to send the data without using send keys and how to click the web element without using click method. So we are able to perform both the activity by using JavascriptExecutor Interface, and this is the code. Okay, so I hope guys you get some idea from this video. So before taking the screenshot, if we highlight our web element, okay, and if we scroll down or scroll up our web page, so it will be captured the actual web element, okay, which we need to capture inside the screenshot. Okay, so for capture the screenshot, this two technique is very helpful. To find the web element and send data and send clicks, this technique are there. Draw the border, okay, and generate alert in some situation, refresh, and then get title of the web page. Okay, this is also a question in interview, how to get title of the web page without using get title method. Okay, so this is the answer. So I hope guys you get some idea from this video how to use Selenium, how to use JavaScript executor interface in your script. Okay, so I hope guys you get some idea from this video. If you really like this video, if you really get some idea, get some knowledge from this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video guys. Thank you.